Most roofing business owners don't lose money because of bad work. They lose money because of bad organization and expensive tools they don't fully understand. And here's the truth no one tells you. Software pricing only matters if it actually increases your revenue or saves you real time. In this video, you'll learn how AccuLynx pricing works in 2026, what you actually get for the cost, and whether it is worth it for your roofing business. Let's get straight into it. AccuLynx is a roofing management platform that helps contractors handle leads, jobs, scheduling, estimates, and communication in one system. Instead of juggling spreadsheets, messages, and separate tools, everything is centralized. Now here's where it gets interesting. The pricing is not one fixed number. It is usually customized based on the size of your business, number of users, and features you need. That means two companies can pay very different amounts depending on how they operate. But here's the problem. Many business owners compare software only by price, not by value. That is where they make a mistake. Let's break it down simply. In most cases, AccuLynx is positioned as a premium roofing software. That means it is designed for small to mid-sized roofing companies that are already doing consistent project volume. So if you are just starting out with a few jobs per month, the cost may feel high compared to your income. But if you are like Jake, running multiple crews and handling dozens of jobs at once, the system can save hours every day. And that time directly translates into more completed projects and fewer missed leads. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real cost is not just the subscription. The real cost is whether you actually use the features. Many companies pay for advanced tools, but only use basic functions like notes and scheduling. That is wasted money. So, what do you actually get for the price? You get job tracking, lead management, estimating tools, scheduling systems, and communication tools built specifically for roofing workflows. The goal is to replace multiple tools with one system. But here's the key insight most people miss. If AccuLynx helps you close even one extra project per month that you would have otherwise lost, it can pay for itself very quickly. Now let's talk about who should avoid it. If you are a solo contractor or very small team without many ongoing projects, simpler and cheaper tools may be enough. In that case, the cost-to-benefit ratio may not make sense yet. So to wrap it up, AccuLynx pricing in 2026 is on the premium side, but it is designed for growing roofing businesses that need structure, speed, and organization. If you use it fully, it can increase efficiency and help you scale. If you do not, it becomes just another expense. If this helped you, like the video, comment your business size so I can suggest better tools for your stage, and subscribe for more simple business software breakdowns that help you make smarter decisions.